Okay, so this is the first equation, 50 by v cubed minus 22v squared over 110v squared plus 60v times 11v squared plus 94v plus 48 over 5v minus 2. So what you do first is you have to find the least common multiple. So the number that can multiply, that you'll get 55, and then the number you can multiply, that'll give you negative 22. And when you do that, you should get 11. So you're going to get 11v, or 11v squared, because you can take v squared out of v cubed and v squared. And then 11 times what will give you 55, which is 5, and there's a v left over, so you'll have 5v. And then 11 times what will give you a negative 22, which is 2. And you do the same to the bottom. So what can you multiply to give you 110 and 60, which is 10. So you're going to do 10v, because you can take v out of v squared and v. And then 10 times what will give you 110, which is 11. And then you're going to have 11v. Then 10 times what will give you 60, which is 6. So that's it. And then on the other equation, you have to find the greatest common factor. So the number that you can multiply to give you 48, and the number you can add to give you 94. And when you do that, you should get 11v plus 6 and v plus 8. And then 5v minus 2 is in simplest form, so you just have to rewrite it like that. And then when you do that, you're going to cross out what you have the same on both sides. So you have a 5v minus 2 on both sides. You're going to cross that out. And then you have a 11v plus 6 on both sides. So then when you're done doing that, you'll have 11v squared times v plus 8 over 10v. And that's your final product. And then moving on to the second one, you have 4x minus 1 over x minus 1 minus 2 over x minus 6. And for this one, you have to have the same denominators. So you're going to multiply this equation by x minus 6 on the top and bottom. And you're going to do the same for this side. You're going to multiply this by x minus 1 on the top and bottom. And when you distribute, so essentially you're multiplying, you're going to get, for this equation, 4x squared minus 24x over x minus 6 and x minus 1. Minus, and then you have to distribute this one as well. So you're going to get negative 2x plus 2 all over the same denominator, x minus 6 and x minus 1. And then you're going to combine the things, whatever. 4x squared minus 24x minus 2x plus 2 all over the same denominator, x minus 6 and x minus 1. And then after this point, you're going to combine like terms. Like terms are the negative 24x and the negative 2x. And then when you do that, you're going to get 4x squared minus 26x plus 2 all over x minus 6 and x minus 1. And then that's your answer.